Hi guys! Nandito tayo ngayon sa Hana Hotel, Boracay. Gusto ko lang i-share yung travel experience and budget namin para kung sakaling gusto nyong magpunta dito sa Boracay this 2023, magka-idea kayo. So let's start off with Park and Fly. We booked Park and Fly for a total of 3 days. The total is 1,260. Up to 2 weeks ahead of time ako nag-book ng Park and Fly kasi na-experience namin na walang parking sa Park and Fly, sa multi-level parking. So ang nangyari, napunta kami doon sa open parking ng NAIA Terminal 3 before. And even yung open parking, nag-waiting kami doon. And luckily, hindi naman kami na late sa flight namin. So it's really important that you book your parking ahead of time. If not, kung tingin mo naman may bakante sa multi-level parking or sa open parking, then you can go ahead during the day of your flight. Ang flight namin is through AirAsia. 6,828 yung total. Round trip na yon for 2. And binook namin siya 2 weeks ahead of time. Dala na lang din kayo ng valid ID. Yun lang din naman yung requirement nila for domestic flight. Tapos, pagka landing namin sa Caticlan Airport, marami nang nag-aalok doon guys. Merong mga tricycle doon, may nag-aalok ng van. So yung van yung tinake namin na option, even though it's 850 pesos. Sabi ng friends namin, mas mura pagka nag-tricycle ka. So kung magta-tricycle ka, magbabang ka, tapos tricycle ulit, magbabayad ka lang din ng environmental fee. Mas mababa yung aabutin. Kaya lang, syempre, mainit, tapos wala pa kaming tulog after work. So we took the option for the van. So it's airport transfers. From Caticlan Airport, magbaban kayo, tapos magbo-boat, di na kayo magbabayad ng environmental fee. Tapos magbaban ulit kayo papunta sa hotel. So that's door to door to your hotel guys. So 850 pesos yun. And ngayon, nandito kami sa Hana Hotel nga, sa Boracay. Ang inabot is 7,318 for a total of 3 nights. At sabi nila, napakaganda talaga ng review dito sa Hana Hotel. So far, sobrang ganda ng experience namin. Hospitable din yung mga tao. Maayos silang mag-assist dito sa Hana Hotel. So yun, abangan nyo yung next vlog ko. Tungkol naman dito sa Hana Hotel. Siyempre, gagawa tayo ng personal review natin about it. See you soon, and if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe na din. See you! Bye!